Yeah! Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome on Nyan Studio 40. What a shock! Yesterday I have made a video to show you how to install this ROM, this Samsung Galaxy Note piece, Samsung Galaxy S9 ROM for you. How to install this? I make beautiful video for you on my YouTube channel. Today I want to make a latest review number 2 of this Xenos Z ROM. Let's go, get ready to see this. Before, look at this into. Look at on your screen, look at your screen. What is this? This is a beautiful recorder that you can install on your phone to record your screen. Let's go now. Wow, what is this camera? This is the camera of the new ROM. The new ROM. Under this video, you can download this ROM. A link is here. Look at this. It's so beautiful. What a shock. Look at this. Wow. Wonderful. Look at this. It's so nice. It's so great. Look at. Beautiful. What do you think? This is the camera. The camera of your Samsung Galaxy G7 Prime. Do this. Thank you. Look at frontal camera. Please, principal camera. Zoom. Wow. What is this? This is a flash. Do this. Thank you. Thank you. Hello. Hello. Okay. As you see, there are many features on your camera. Do this. Look at this. Thank you. Thank you. And you can do this to zoom. Okay, you can hold the home button. Please hold this button in your screen to zoom. Look at this. Look at this. Again. Wonderful. You can also click here to turn the camera. Click here to turn your camera. Come your settings. And you can see there are many settings here. Picture and everything. Wow, beautiful. Look at this. Wonderful. Look at, wow. You can personalize, configure your camera. What a shock. It's so beautiful. It's so great. It's so great. Wow, look at this. Wonderful. Look at this. Wow. Beautiful. Okay. Let's go. Go back. Welcome. Do this. Thank you. Do this. The effect is here. This is the effect. For your camera, look at this, for example. Look at this, for example. Let me to zoom. And do this. Change the effect. What is this? What is this? Very true. Again, look at this. Wow. Wonderful. Beautiful. Do this. Wonderful. Beautiful. Again. Again. Do this. Wow. What is this? Turn. Let me to go. Close this. Go back. Remove effect. Okay, thank you. Welcome. Turn. What a shock. This is a selfie camera. Do this to see. Look at this. Scan turn. Slim face. Layer. Look at this. Alright. It's not bad. Okay, let's go to see another things in your phone. Okay, let me to show you this right now. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. This is S9 Samsung Galaxy S9 Home. Wow, look at this. Beautiful. Wonderful. I have an install application into. Beautiful application into. Look at this now. My fields. Beautiful video. Thank you. Open, for example, this. Thank you. What is this? This is my friend. Thank you. Thank you, my friend. Wow. Okay. Thank you. We go. Go back. Thank you. Thank you. Close all. Thank you. Go back. And here you can see many applications with this phone. What a shock. What is this? This is your keyboard. Your beautiful keyboard. For your Samsung Galaxy E7 Prime. Wow, beautiful. Also beautiful. Music. Settings. Alright, you can add music here on your settings to this. Again. Wow, look at this. This is your music. You can do this. Click on play to play with this music. Thank you. Open this. Do this. Look at this. Look at on your screen. Wow. Hello. Thank you. What a shock. Okay, as you see, there are beautiful music here. You can click here to access to settings directly here. What a shock. Property, and you can see also these icons. These icons is so beautiful for you. Beautiful icons for you. Look at this. Settings. Welcome. A developer option. Look at this. Wow. Not bad. Applications. Loading. Beautiful. This is the application that I have installed on my phone. Wow. It's so beautiful. What do you think? What do you think about this? Thank you. Go back. Look at this. Look at about phone. What a shock. Beautiful. Zeno Z. Wow. This is a version 2. Look at this. Thank you, Zeno Z. You can change this. You can put here your name if you want. Wow, about phone again. Software information. The Android 7 Nougat into. What a shock. Look at this. Beautiful Android Nougat into for you. Look at this. Wonderful. Close this. Close all application. Okay, open 2 applications. For example, video. Look at. Thank you. Close again. Open another application. For example, gallery. Thank you. Open my photo. Welcome. Do this. Thank you. Again. What is this? Thank you. Close all application. Now, camera. Do this. Okay. And look at here. What a shock. What is this? What a shock. Beautiful. Wonderful. Okay. Look at. What a shock. What is this? Wow. Beautiful and wonderful. Look at this. Open your video directly here and you can play your video directly here. What a shock. Play. What a shock. Thank you. Beautiful. Look at this. It's so beautiful and so wonderful. What do you think about this? Beautiful. You can do this. Turn. Wow. Have you seen this? It's so nice and it's so great. What a shock. Do the same action. Do this. Done. Wow. You can decrease and okay, look at this. Resize your windows. Synthesize your windows. Look at this. To resize your windows. What a shock. It's so nice and so beautiful. There are many features too for you. What a shock. What is this? Look on Windows. New Windows. Readjust your Windows. What a shock. Look at this. This is a beautiful test review for you. Subscribe today on my YouTube channel because there are another videos for you. And we go. Close all of this. Close all and come here. What is this? What is this? Look at this. I have installed also Game Toner. Wait a few seconds. Game Toner. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Agree. Welcome. And you can open your game directly here. Open this. Done. And click on Enable. Thank you to enable Game Toner into to launch your game directly here. Directly here. Beautiful for you. You can also see here the logo, the icons of Game Toner. Look at this. You can capture a screen capture, recorder, game. You can also click on settings to access to another thing. Game Toner, GRX touch with many things for you. Let me to test this game on this beautiful application. Enter your name here, Jenna. Thank you. Okay. Welcome, my mouse. You can listen something, but you can see this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Wonderful. Look at this also. Do this. Do this. Okay. No, no, no. Come here, come here, come here. Touch there. Okay, what do you say? Okay, what do you say again? And this. Nothing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I like you. Hello, my name is Nyang Studio 4D. Boom! Explosion! Subscribe today. Level 2 with my car today. Beautiful application for you. Okay. Go to sleep. Thank you. Hello. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you, amigo. Okay, we continue. Look at this. I have installed many applications into for you. For example, conjugation application. Okay. Beautiful things into. Wonderful. This is a beautiful home for you. It's so beautiful. There are also air commands into. Let me open air command. Welcome on air command. And there are live message. Live message into. What is this? Another message. Go back. Thank you. And you can subscribe today on my YouTube channel. You can share this to your family. High quality show your quality and enable. Look at what a shocker. Should also the color. What you want? What you need? Thank you. What a shock. Number one for you. What a shock. It's so beautiful. What do you think? This home is so beautiful. Remember, under this video, you can download this home. It's free for you, and you can see how to install this home on my YouTube channel. If you are finished with this air command, do this to delete this. Thank you. This is a photo that you have captured. Okay, look at this. Beautiful. Okay, close this, and let's go. Look at this. Xenos RC. What is this? Acquire requisition of wood. Okay. On this option, you can configure easily your new home. Stature bar. Okay. Notification panel. Display. Lock screen. And another, look at this. This is a new version, the last version here. Thank you. Look at this. Beautiful. Wonderful. Look at this. Beautiful. Wonderful. Look at this. It's so nice and it's so beautiful. I like this icons, the icons here on your screen. And I like also the wallpaper, the new wallpaper. Let's go to see what new wallpaper into. View all. What wallpaper into? Look at this. There are many wallpaper into. Look at this. This is S9 wallpaper on screen to see. Look at this. Wonderful. Let's go. There are also S9 wallpaper into. Look at this on screen. What a shock. Look at this. What is this? What is this? Set as wallpaper. What a shock. What a shock. Look at this. Wow. Wow. It's so great and it's so nice. We hello. And then another wallpaper into for you. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at this. Also, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Wonderful. Amigo, download this command of this video and see what the video I make to show you how to install this. Install this from on your phone. Test this and say to me what do you think about this. For me, I think that this is so great. There are Samsung Galaxy S9 wallpapers into Samsung Galaxy Note 8 wallpaper into Samsung Galaxy A8 wallpaper into is it. This is the Samsung Galaxy S8 wallpaper into. Look at this, look at this, and look at this. Wow, many wallpapers into for you. Look at this. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Look at this. It's not all. Look at your lock screen. Thank you. Welcome on the lock screen. Look at this. Beautiful. Do this. This is the fact of Android Nougat. Do this. Play music. Thank you, amigo. You can access directly your camera here on your dealer here. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you. It's not all, everybody. It's not all. There are many. 10 into. 10 here. Thank you. Look at this 10. Apply. Wait a few seconds to apply this 10. This is the default 10. Excuse me. When you install this application, this is the default term that you can see. Let me to show you, and I will put into with you the beer reviews. Look at this. What a shock. Look at this. Wow. Beautiful. Look at this also. What a shock. It's so nice. It's so great. Switch phone. What on switch phone? Beautiful, beautiful cable also. Wonderful. What do you think? It's not all. Let's go. Come here. On home. Look at on your lock screen. What a shock. Look at this lock screen. What is this? Everybody? Ladies and gentlemen, say to me, what is this? This is not real. It's not real. Look at this. It's so beautiful. And it's so powerful. Do this. And you can also change the icons if you not like this icon. Come on icons here. Icon. And you can select the default icon. Apply. Wait a few seconds to see the change. Thank you. Welcome. What a shock. Look at this. Excuse me. Do this. Thank you. Oh my God, do this. What a shock. Look at this. It's so nice and so beautiful. Thank you. Wow. Alright. Look at, there are 8 panels too. Beautiful 8 panel where you can add your preferred applications here. Thank you for that. Thank you. You can add a YouTube directly here and access directly to your YouTube channel here if you have connection. What a shock. So beautiful. This is another channel for you. Thank you. There are many things into for you. What do you think? It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Okay. This is the test number 2. If you want, I will make a new test with test number 3 for you. Subscribe today on my YouTube channel, Young Studio 4D. I will make a new video, a gaming on my YouTube channel. Beautiful gaming for you today. Subscribe today on Young Studio 4D and let's go. Remember, on every video you can subscribe on my YouTube channel, like the video, and download for free Face Home. You can also see how to install Face Home on my YouTube channel. And let's go. Thank you for watching. Let's go now to the next video. God bless you. Like you. Wow.